Hey, Dave here with Transfer Express, and if you're new to the channel, Transfer Express is the leading manufacturer of screen printed and digital heat transfers, with 2 production facilities in Ohio and Arizona. Now, we are dedicated to quality and customer service, along with supporting you and your t-shirt business no matter how big or small. From league uniforms to Etsy stores, we are always here to help. Today, we're talking all about branding, and that's going to be putting your logo on the back or on the sleeve or even the inside print. Now, if you're already using custom plastisol transfers or full color transfers from Transfer Express, you could get these added prints at 0 extra cost to what you're already printing. So it's really easy to fit it on your gang sheets, and even if you are a custom printer, you could use the gang sheets for your customers' artwork to add your own logo to it and literally get it for free. So it's super cool, super easy to set up, and the branding potential that you're gonna get putting your logo on the sleeve or the inside print or the back of your actual shirt, it's gonna make any shirt you print a walking billboard for your business. You'll see the sales start coming in. So it's an awesome way to do it for literally 0 marketing cost. Let me show you how to do it right here. There's several ways you could get the branding onto your t-shirt in several locations, whichever one works best for you. So the first one here is for the inside neck. So this is gonna be great for putting your own labels, making the tees look super, super professional, but it's also gonna hide it from anybody but the wearer. So this is great for events or class reunions or for teams where you could sneak your company's branding in there without any outward facing branding on, say, a sleeve. Just like here, the same exact brand, a little bit larger print right there onto the sleeve print. That gives it great visibility for anybody wearing the shirt, and people seeing it know that you do apparel printing. So that's great. Another great location is on the back. So we call this a yoke print or an upper back print. And this is on the back of the t-shirt, just down from the neckline. So awesome placement and high visibility if there are no back prints. So now that we're in easy view, you could go ahead and take whatever project you're working on. You have your full front artwork here. You could easily throw your logo on any vacant space on the gang sheet. You can see here outlined in the dotted line is our maximum print area. If you're not filling it up all the way, you absolutely should be taking advantage of it and getting prints for free. Regardless of the ink color printing, you could either add another color and make it a 2-color print, but to save money, we're gonna use the same exact color of the artwork printing here. Now, when you have this all set up, try to fit as many as you can. This is gonna get you the best bang for your buck. Of course, neutral colors like black or white work great on a wide range of colors if it's light garments or dark garments, but finding a gray or something in the middle is going to maximize your ability to use these for any type of apparel jobs in the future. You could keep these for just 1 order, or you could be putting these on multiple orders and just getting tons of your logo placement available to you. If you're able to fit 2 on every single gang sheet, that's 2 prints of your logo that you're going to be able to get per 1 print of your customer's artwork. Now, this is maximizing not only your dollar, but if your customer's already paying for this printing, you are getting your logos for absolutely free, which is really, really cool, and giving you the ability to put your logos on apparel and brand yourself so that you could get your business more exposure out in the wild. So today we're gonna be using the concert tee from District. I love the affordability of this and the fashion forward cut. It's actually a really soft shirt too. And this one is a blend in the charcoal color. So let's start with the upper back yoke print today. And it's super, super easy to do, just like you're gonna do any other t-shirt. You can either lay it straight onto the platen, or in this case, I like threading it. It does take just a little bit longer, but it helps me line everything up because you get to see exactly where it is. So here we are, have the upper back right here. So we'll just move our collar off the platen a little bit, and we'll go ahead and grab our logo. Now this is gonna be your t-shirt logo that you've printed for free by sneaking it onto a corner of one of your gang sheets. So for lining this, just wanna make sure it's centered onto our collar, which it looks like it is here. and our transfer is centered. We have our guides here. So we'll pre-press for 4 seconds, get any moisture out of the garment like we do with any of our printing. So we're gonna take our print here and we're gonna line it as centered as we can between the collar. So we're just gonna eyeball it for this use, grab the collar seams here, seeing right in the middle, looks nice and centered. And we're gonna do about 2 fingers down from the collar. Once that's placed and you're happy with the placement, we'll go ahead and press this for 4 seconds because it's a goof-proof transfer. Now with goof-proof, it is a hot peel, so we'll peel immediately. Right at the top of the neck, we have our company logo right on the outside, nice and proud. All right, now to press an inside tag print on your regular heat press here, a full size, we are just going to turn the shirt inside out. Makes it really super easy, and we'll just go ahead and thread it back onto our heat press, or you could just lay it right on top. If you're laying right on top, just be careful because you'll want to put a cover sheet inside, because here is our outside print if you've printed there as well. Now these are 2 prints that you can totally double up, one on the outside, one on the inside, so that the wearer sees it and people walking around the wearer also see it. Now this district tee is awesome. It does have a tearaway label, so all you have to do is just hold it and rip right off. If you are just laying this down, you want to make sure that any prints on the inside or the front don't get stuck together or onto your platen. So we're just going to go ahead and take a handy dandy cover sheet here. We'll fold this together and slide it right inside the collar, unfold it, and make sure that our prints stay separate. Real easy to do and a great way to keep your press nice and clean. Line this up the same exact way as we did before. We're just going to eyeball it on the inside, go about 1 inch to 1/2 inch down from the collar here, and we're going to set this right here. Make sure all your seams are off of the platen before we press this. It's goof proof, so it's going to go for 4 seconds. So goof proof is a hot peel. We're going to peel this one off immediately. And there we go. Super, super professional, and it makes your brand look not only super pro, but it lets everybody know where the shirt came from if they want to buy more. This is perfect for any events or festivals. People are going to remember your brand, and the next time that they need custom t-shirts, you could put it here. You could feel free to put your website or a call to action and exactly what your business model is. You are local custom printing for Montana? Here you go. Right here, put it on the inside tag and let people know what you do. You could put your website, or like here, there's just some washing instructions and the actual makeup of the shirt. But this makes it look really good. Same here with the back print. Here's your back print. Boom. Looks beautiful. Now for our sleeve, we'll go ahead and get one of our mouse pads and thread it right through our sleeve here. And this, of course, is just the way to do it on almost any heat press. These mouse pads are available for practically next to nothing on transferexpress.com and make it super easy to nail any one of these print placements. Get seams out of the way, print on onesies or hoodies where your zippers are in the way, quarter zips, polos, getting the buttons out of the way. These mouse pads are cool, and as you can see, they could be cut to any size. And we'll go ahead and pre-press this. So we're gonna go ahead and take another one of just our logo. So we'll press this one here for 4 seconds because it's a goof proof. And just like that, goof proof is a hot peel, so we'll peel it back immediately. And there you have it. There is our sleeve print. So beautiful out, and you're gonna get that awesome marketing exposure from anybody wearing these t-shirts wherever they go. Like I had mentioned, making these specialty placements isn't just exclusive to your full-size 16x20 heat press or whichever equipment you have at home. If you also have a cap press, using the cap press to nail these locations is absolutely clutch. Also, if you might have noticed by now, I love the tag-along HP platen from Hotronix and Stalls, which fits any of our full-size clamshells, the Max and the Hotronix and the Fusion lines. So this allows you to do your inside tag prints as well. You could do sleeve prints on here. You could even do your upper back prints on here as well. There's videos about this tag-along platen, so I'm not gonna get into it now. We're just gonna talk a little bit about the cap press for this application. So I'll show you just with the placement on this one that we already printed, but you could easily take this and just fit it right on depending on the size of your design. And right there, line it up with your sleeve on the cap platen that's there and go ahead and press your design. Super easy. Super cool to put it on there and get it right off. Subsequently, if you're doing your inside tag prints as well, you could do them without even turning the shirt inside out. Now this one's a little tall for this, so we'd also turn it sideways and you could do them this way as well. So just make sure that you're lined up here across the side. You can put your transfer down right there. The same now even with your sleeve prints. You could go like this, fit your sleeve right on, just like that. And here's your transfer. You would put your transfer down right there and of course print. Now you absolutely could print your upper back prints as well. Just draping your shirt over. It's a little bit harder to make sure they're all lined up, but you could see even here, holding it up, that your collar's straight, put it on down right there. Make sure nice and flat on that printing surface and boom. But that just shows you how versatile these cap presses are. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here at Transfer Express, we want to be your one-stop shop for all of the inspiration and helpful hints on how to run your t-shirt business. If you are new to Transfer Express and you haven't signed up for an account yet, go ahead and sign up for an account. We will send you free samples of all of our screen printed plastisol transfers and digital full color transfers. Please hit the subscribe button, stay up to date on all of the content we're putting out, and there's new videos every single week on application and inspiration on how certain tips can benefit your t-shirt business. Until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.